Chicken tikka masala is a popular Indian dish that features marinated chicken pieces in a creamy, spiced tomato-based sauce. Here's a recipe to make this delicious dish at home. Ingredients: for the chicken, 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons garam masala, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper for the sauce, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 onion, diced 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2-inch piece of ginger, grated 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 14 ounces can of crushed tomatoes, 1 cup heavy cream, salt and black pepper to taste, chopped cilantro. For garnish instructions: in a large bowl, combine yogurt, lemon juice, vegetable oil, garam masala, smoked paprika, cumin, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Add chicken pieces and toss to coat. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or up to 24 hours. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers and place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until cooked through. In a large saucepan, heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add onion, garlic, and ginger and sauté until soft and fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add tomato paste, garam masala, paprika, cumin, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper to the pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add crushed tomatoes and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in heavy cream and cook for another 5 minutes, until the sauce has thickened slightly. Add cooked chicken to the sauce and stir to combine. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with chopped cilantro. Serve with rice or naan bread. Enjoy your delicious chicken tikka masala.